The tide's rising, let it take you. Visions bending, thoughts unwind, drifting past the edge of mine. Colors melt and shadows breathe, feeling things I can't conceive. Heartbeat slows, the floor don't hold. Gravity slips and I unfold. A pull so strong I can't divide. I'm not just high, I'm high tide. No shore in sight, waves of fire in the dead of night. High tide, I lose control, but feels like I found my soul. Spinning slow inside my skull. Thoughts get loud but nothing's dull. Eyes wide shut, I feel the sound. Baseline deep, I'm off the ground. Smoke like fog thick in my chest, but every breath feels like a bless. No escape, no need to hide. I ride the pull of this high tide. No shore in sight, waves of fire in the dead of night. High tide, I lose control, but it feels like I found my soul. Let go, let flow. Don't fight, just glow. Still floating, still high. Far from us, floating away. Eyes half closed, I lose the ground. Thoughts like smoke don't make a sound. I ain't gone, but I ain't here. Somewhere in the in-between, clear. The stars look closer than the street. Heartbeat slow, soul on repeat. No need to talk, no need to stay. I'm just floating, floating away. No gravity, out where the quiet sets me free. Floating away, can't feel the weight, time don't move, and it feels great. And it feels great. My hands feel light, my mind feels wide. I see colors on the inside. This ain't lost, it's just unchained. A different way to see the same. Don't ask me where I drifted to. Somewhere soft and full of blue. No thoughts to chase, no game to play. I let go and float away. No gravity, out where the quiet sets me free. Floating away, can't feel the weight, time don't move, and it feels great. counting wins like collecting cards. But the more I chase, the more I miss, till I found joy in moments like this. Bare feet, soft smoke in the breeze, laughing alone under quiet trees. Didn't plan this peace I see, but good days, they find me. Good days find me when I stop the race, when I slow it down, feel my space. Days find me like a breeze so kind, they come to me when I leave the grind. No more clocks, no more rush, no fake goal, no heavy hush. I light one up and breathe it slow, let all the pressure melt and go. Now I move at a softer pace, let the world spin, I hold my grace. Didn't force it, didn't plead, just waited still, and it found me. When I slow it down, feel my space. Days find me like a breeze so kind, they come to me when I leave the grind. Don't chase light, just be still, let it rise, you know it will. Yeah. Yeah. Let the good days come, and they will. Sun creeping in, coffee warm, spliff lit. No alarm, no shoes on, stretching slow with the curtains drawn. Breeze so soft, sky so wide, feeling quiet on the inside. Roll on up, take it slow, let the morning start real low. No rush, no voice, no warning, just me and this easy morning. Easy morning, take your time, sipping light, feeling fine. Easy morning, clear my head, let the smoke rise with no dread. Birds hum low, kettle sings, I don't need much, just simple things. A page to write, a song to hear, and smoke to make the world clear. No traffic sound, no heavy tone, just my breath and I'm alone. Feels like life's just now beginning, with this quiet chill beginning. Easy morning, take your time, sipping light, feeling fine. Easy morning, clear my head, one pull and it starts to bend. The walls breathing and thoughts descend. I ain't just high, I'm wide awake. Peeling back the world layer by layer, it breaks. Light turns liquid, time gets slow. My heartbeat talking things I didn't know. It's not the smoke, it's what it hit. Now I'm floating with my third eyelid. Third eyelid, I see through smoke. Truth so loud, but nobody spoke. Third eyelid, now nothing's hid. Feeling what the real world did. Third eyelid, I see through smoke. Truth so loud, but nobody spoke. Third eyelid, now nothing's hid. Feeling what the real world did. Mirrors moving, face ain't mine. I'm both the question and the sign. Sky is breathing, ground don't hold. The universe feels tight and cold. But in that stretch I find my form. Beyond the shape, beyond the norm. It's not a trip, it's where I sit inside the zone. Third eyelid, I see through smoke. Truth so loud, but nobody spoke. Third eyelid, now nothing's hid. Feeling what the real world did. Third eyelid, I see through smoke. Truth so loud, but nobody spoke. Third eyelid, now nothing's hid. Feeling what the real world did. Open wide, drop the light, burn the veil, let it die. I ain't coming back just yet. Third eye stays lit.
Yeah, this ain't for fun. This is ceremonial. Circle drawn, the fire lit, sacred leaf. In the chalice sits, no small talk, no phone ring. Just that bass line rumbling. Ash to earth, smoke to sky. I disappear, but I don't die. One deep drag, then I submit. This mind open through smoke ritual shit. Smoke ritual, light it slow. One puff deep, let your soul go. Smoke ritual, eyes go red, but inside I'm clear instead. Heartbeat syncs with the drum below. Reality melts, the visions grow. Voices call from the haze I breathe, telling truths I never believed. This ain't party, this ain't game. It's blood and rhythm in the flame. The walls sweat, the air gets thick. I see myself and I'm cosmic. Smoke ritual, light it slow. One puff deep, let your soul go. Smoke ritual, eyes go red, but inside I'm clear instead. One flame, one breath, the same.